Edo State government, through the Ministry of Education, don declare the Principal Cup 2023 open. The opening ceremony shele for Itonwa Girls Grammar School for Benin City. Permanent Secretary Edo State Ministry of Education, Ero Ugiomo, wey represent Edo State Commissioner of Education, Dr. Joan Osa of Yahweh, for a welcome address, come talk say for the next few weeks, fields for Edo State go become battleground for students to represent their school for the Principal Cup, and say Edo State don ready to produce the next Victor Osimhen and JJ Okocha.
Standing on behalf of the Honorable Commissioner, who is unavoidable absent. Ladies and gentlemen, men of the press, good afternoon all. I stand before you today with immense excitement and pride as we gather to kick off the highly anticipated event that brings us all together. The return of the Principal Cup from September 27th to November 24th, 2023. Our beloved state of Edo will be transformed into the battlefield for thrilling football matches as secondary school from all corners of state compete for glory. This is a momentous occasion for our young athletes, and we are privileged to witness their talent on display. The Principal Cup is not just a football tournament, it is a platform where dreams are nurtured, skills are honored, and futures are shaped. It is a testament to the spirit of competition, unity, and sportsmanship that runs deep within the heart of the youth. As we gather here today, I encourage each and every one of you to be an active participant in this extraordinary journey. Support our talented young athletes to be Victor Osimhen, JJ Okocha. In the coming week, let us come together as proud residents of Edo and demonstrate our unwavering love for the beautiful game of football. Let us share for our schools, our future football stars, and show them that we believe in their potential.
Osbot Osayuwame, wey be part of the organizing committee, come talk say this year own dey unique as many schools show interest to play, and say for boys categories dem get over 150 schools, and for the girls categories dem get over 42 schools, and say this one na part of the reform for the education sector wey put extracurricular activities, and say with this Edo go get future player for Super Eagles, Super Falcons and Bendel Insurance.
My name na Osbot Osayuwame Aroloye. And I may be the organizing, the part of the committee with the organizing this year Principals Cup. This year own is unique in the sense that for a very long time, we never get the number of schools where they participate now. For instance, for the boys category, we get over 150 schools. For the girls category, we have over 42 schools, as against what we had last year. So this one are just way of part of the reform where they go on for the state. We put extracurricular activity both with other mental work and all that. And with this one now, we'll be able to get players for Super Eagles and Falcons for insurance and the likes. The commission just kickstart now. You will discover that we don't see one or two players that we believe that can be groomed for future competitions. And I wish all the teams where they play for this year the best outing. They really put body. You know, I talk say 150 male schools for the category, for male category. There were about over 42 schools for the female category. Now immediately we kickstart this thing. Actually, we just send message to most of the schools, and the response was so encouraging. We see everybody want play, and we are really happy with the way things are going. This is not the first match. Maybe the next couple of weeks, we believe we'll begin to reach the finals, and I hope to see your media live there when they play the final.
For the opening match for the female category, it involved Anglican Girls Grammar School versus the Maguero Girls College. Anglican Girls Grammar School come win with 1-0, while the opening match for the male categories involved Ugiomo Secondary School versus Umelu Secondary School. Ugiomo Secondary School come win with 1-0. Some of the teachers and students wey talk to Tori people come talk say,
I'm so happy for the governor bringing back this Principal Cup. Last year, though, we tried our best, we lose on penalty, but this year we have started in a good mood by winning our opponent, and I'm very happy. And I know with this we will go higher. The officiating was so genuine, and I was so happy over it. The organization is well organized.
Well, my boys tried. It's a learning experience. I believe next time we'll be better prepared for 2024. I say this one our learning stage, and we don't learn our lessons. We'll come next year. I believe we will do better than what we do today. The organization is very much okay. They're very okay. The organizers try. Kudos to the governor and the commissioner for education. They try very well for the organization.
I'm excited today. I thank everyone that came here with me. I want to say a big thanks to you all. Let God thank us that we are going to go further in our life in Jesus' name and pray. That is all. I want to say the governor and the organizer that thank you for the organizing of this show. I feel so excited in this goal.
Other ogbonge people wey tanda for the event na principals, teachers, students, among others. Make dem no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.